This is this really fun game that my son got at Christmas. It is BoomTrix. It is kind of like a Rube Goldberg of trampoline world. So what it is it comes with a little set of these little metal balls and a little roller, and you roll the marble down and it bounces off each one of these little trampolines that are included in the set. Some have an angle, some are just straight, but you can set up these little obstacles for it. So it's got three of these little V-shaped things that the ball can bounce over. It has a ring that it can go through. It comes with these little stickers so you can decorate the machine. We haven't actually gotten to do all that yet, but it is there for you. And then the end goal is to get it inside of this little container here. You set up the trampoline. You can play it however you want to play it. We like to set it up to where we just go one at a time and then start going from there. So you get out the balls and you can place all of the balls in here and it just bounces right off. So then you know where the next one is. But as you get the balls in here, it will bounce off and then you can move your pieces accordingly to then end up in this little container.